Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open the Xbox app or go to Account, Microsoft. Com on your phone and sign in using your Microsoft email and password. Make sure the app is updated because new flows require the latest version. Once signed in, tap your profile icon to begin. Remember, the first gamer tag change is free versus later changes that may charge a fee, so make it count. Once you see your profile, proceed to customize, don't pause. Start typing name options, while network remains connected to avoid interruptions. Tap Profile, then Customize Profile, and select Change Gamer Tag to open the editor. Type your desired name and hit Check Availability. If it's taken, modify with numbers, a suffix, or alternative spelling. This reduces collisions and keeps identity clear. Once you find an available tag, confirm the choice. If this is not your first change, you'll be shown the fee and asked to approve payment. Make sure your Microsoft payment method is valid. Then accept to submit the change and wait for the system. After confirming the change, sign out and sign back in so your new gamer tag syncs across devices. Once done, check the Xbox app in your console to confirm the update. Make sure to test multiplayer and friends lists because propagation can take time. Give it up to 24 hours in rare cases. If the name didn't change, clear the app cache and try again or pick a different variant. If payment failed, verify your Microsoft payment method and retry, or contact support for billing errors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.